Hello students, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we would be studying about string concatenation. Okay, so in the previous videos, we studied about strings, the basics of strings, indexing in strings. We saw positive and negative indices and the type error that can arise out of invalid index range. So in this video, we would be studying how to concatenate two or more strings. So what do we exactly mean by concatenation? Concatenation basically means to join. So in our case, we are talking about joining different strings together. So there may be instances or situations when you want to append or add one string at the end of another. So concatenation means to join one string. String concatenation basically means to join one string at the end of another string. Okay, now how do we concatenate two strings? So there is a concatenation operator, which is the plus operator. So in the Python programming language, the plus operator can be used for addition also in mathematical operations. It can also be used for performing string concatenation. That means for adding two strings in terms of their length. That means the first string, the new string resulting from string concatenation will contain the first string immediately followed by the second string. So the left string will be placed first and the string right to the concatenation operator or the plus operator will be placed immediately following the first string without any gaps, without any space characters, or without any demarcation. Okay, so for example, if we have two strings str1 and str2, the first string contains the characters mind your exam, and the second string contains channel. Now if I use the concatenation operator between these two strings, I get a new string named as or containing the value mind your exam channel. And as you can see, there is no gap, there is no demarcation. As soon as the first string ends here at the last character small m, the second string immediately begins. So if you want that some character or some space must be present when you are joining the strings, you must include that character, that space character, or any demarcator character at the end of the first string or wherever you want to specify in your concatenated strings. Okay, so by default, the concatenation operator will not mark any demarcation before joining the strings. Okay, and the left string is present first and the right string that is present at the right of the concatenation operator is added to the end of the first string. Now another important point about string concatenation is that when you concatenate the two strings, the original strings do not get changed. A new string is created and you can store that value, the value returned by this operation, in another string, the third string, the resulting string. But if you want to use the original strings again, you can easily use them because their values remain intact. And we have also seen that since strings are immutable sequence data types, therefore you can actually not change their original values. Okay, so that was all for that was all about string concatenation in Python. I hope you have understood the concept. In the next video, we would be studying about string repetition operator. That is also an interesting concept. So stay tuned to our channel. Let us know how you are liking these videos, or if you want to ask us any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section below. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.